Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 2026. Um, Finally, we are back. I'm back actually. So it's been so long days since we did our live, right? Almost like our last live stream was November 25th, I guess so. Almost 1.5 month. So we've been working on like I and my team were working on personal projects, so that's why we can't able to get into live every day. So from today, I hope so. I will be posting at least 3 days, okay, at least 3 days a week, live posting about um, tradings and explaining the analysis, a current situation of the economy, stuffs like that. Okay, so fine. So what are we going to do now? I'll just make a small setup so I could watch YouTube streams. Is it working well? Okay, before we getting into okay, so hope it was visible. So recently the gold was pushing into newer high, right? Like it was on 4,600. So it's still pushing, much like you can see here on 30-minute time frame. So it still is on the resistance of 4,660, something like that. So it might we might expect that it could reach into 5,000 also. There is no doubt that if it reaches 5,000, okay. So that much potential, gold has that much potential, yeah, for sure. But if you are getting into the trade in this situation is it's bit critical, okay. Why? Because you have to know the perfect time for a retest. Either we are going to buy or sell, okay, the perfect position or like perfect zone, so we could get into the market. And yeah, it's been like too much since November 25th. Yeah, that was our last stream. Anyway, we're gonna look into give certain free signals in today. Before we getting into that, this is our Telegram group, and I I'm really worried about I'm not being consistent of posting videos and doing live, but from now. I'm gonna be consistent. That's what I'm gonna do. I hope so. We'll see in result. So here last week we posted two signals. You can just okay, you can see this is the EA that I'm using. So you can see the result that one day it were given 2K profit, which is a trending based EA only. Okay. So also we posted a couple of signals last week, but I'll try to post hereafter every day um, quality signals, free quality signals. Okay. So let me just post the YouTube live here. Yeah. Okay, now it's cool. I don't know. I can't able to drag this. I don't know why. Okay, found it. Yeah, it's a bit slow. Okay, this is all, and this is trading resources and tools. So as I said, I was busy at last 2 months. So in these trading resources and tools, if you want to join here, I will be giving whatever the best tools in upcoming like in the market or study materials, everything for free. Okay. So if you want to join in there, join in this Telegram group and go to the bio, DM me. I will let you know the process. It's totally free. Okay, fine. So that's all about the channel and yeah, what else? So let me go look into my live. I don't know how it's working. But okay. Oh, the consistency is everything, I guess. I missed that consistency long back ago. Okay. Um, fine. So, okay. So my live stream was smooth. Yeah. Last time I was facing too much of problems like technical errors. I can't able to start my live stream like that. So also I wanna also I like to add Twitch and Kick. Have you heard about that? That also used for live streams, but I can't able to add it recently. I don't know. Okay. Okay, we can't able to add it while we are in live stream. Fine. So we can't even able to hear songs, right? There'll be a copyright. Okay. I can't able to find the plugin. Anyway, we'll see. Let's put that later. Okay. From next, maybe from next live stream, I'm gonna be posting on Twitch, and also there is a new platform called Kick. Okay. Yeah. Both were good. Currently, I can't able to open that into my OBS studio because I'm already on a live stream. That's totally fine. So from now, what we're gonna do? Okay, why not we look into our Indian stocks, right? Okay, let's choose some of stocks like okay, control panel, fine, not bad. It's taking too long. Okay, can I duplicate? So fine because our gold is already on all time or like going to be all time high. So we also look into any Indian stocks that we can um, give an analysis for investing stuff like that. Yeah, let's try to predict something. Let's go. I used to I'll go for ICIC Bank. Whoa, whoa, such a bearish day it seems like almost oh, almost 40 points down in a single day within hours. What? Seems not good. Okay. So it's already below 30. RSI is already below 30. So 5 minute, you see, it went to nearly like even below 20 systematic. So we'll look into some other. So if you guys are you can give any suggestions like which stocks we can look into. So we gonna look into particular stocks or Tata. Yeah, sure. Um, Give me a minute. I'll be back. Um, yeah. So when we go to Tata groups, we'll be having not a couple of a group of stocks like which is TCS, Tata Steel, and Tata Tech. So I used to uh, look into both TCS and Tata Steel. Let's get into Tata Steel. Usually I'll start with 1 hour. Okay, I'll start with 1 hour time frame. So you when you get into 1 hour time frame, you'll like once you are get practiced, you'll get to know how the stock was moving, like which trend. You will find out which trend it was. Okay, so you see, it was clearly a uptrend. Yeah, anything you will took that gonna be the same way. Tata Motors also good one. What is it? They don't have Tata Motors. I'm also not heard of that particular one. I guess it doesn't have Tata Motors stock. Am I right? Here, this one, Tata Motors Limited. Oh, okay. I see this might be the. Okay. It's you can see whenever if you are investing on a stock or anything, uh, start to come up with the higher time frame to lower time frame. Lower time frame is totally for investors. Okay. So lower time frame is not for whoever trading and whoever looking for short-term result. So if you are getting into higher time frame, you will easily get to know. You see, it's totally on above EMA, which is uptrend. Okay, when it's below EMA, it is on downtrend. So of course it was uptrend. I think this was the stocks which is separated from Tata Group recently. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, Leander. So how was your day? How you doing? Chat. If you guys are watching this, like I know I'm just missed a lot of days, like not posting any content. So by like I'll try to post 3 to 4 live streams or videos per week. I'll try to be consistent from today. So basically, when okay, so after EMA, you will find out what is the trend that particular stock was, right? And use RSI to like as a confirmation to get into the entry. Okay, let's say if I'm going for 5 minutes, and these are very very basic, like um, like even some basic people's basic learners does this. Also, pro traders also take this as a just a confirmation to get into a trade. Okay, so as you see, this is what you have to mark up on. Like here, you can see there is a 70 RSI, and here will be 30. Yeah, I'm glad to hear. Have fun. So, well then, I'll just be put it here. Like, cool. Okay. So, how was your um, work of backtesting? Like, how it's going? So, where we left? Yeah, you have to set here, go to the RSI settings and get into the inputs. Get into inputs. RSI length was 14. Okay. Okay. So when it comes to RSI, there will be a default one which is on 70. Okay, and here it will be 30. But when you are going to have when the RSI reaches 80, you'll see here it almost reached 80 on this exact period, and it's almost reached 20. Okay, so in this exact period, which is a very crucial time to it is a let's say it is a confirmation that it will um, reverse, okay? Like when if it was an upside 80 or in a downside, um, trade. Okay, so no, no, no. I'm not gonna trade these stocks. I will give a suggestion, like analysis. What is the tomorrow's or let's say a couple of days move will be like when it comes to stocks, okay? When it comes to stocks, if I'm gonna trade now, I will be trading only gold, BTC, and like commodities and Forex, okay? When it comes to live trading. So if you are looking onto stocks, I'm mostly give you a signals like this, okay? Like this is how the stock's gonna be moving. It's kind of like my prediction. That is how I will be giving. Okay. So why I'm like this is not the real prediction. Actually, it's just an example. Okay. Why I'm trying to say here, using the RSI, you can find where is the actual market is going to reverse, like the most of the time. Okay. Let's get into this one. You will see here it's almost reached 80, right? Here it's almost reached 80, and it was given a little bit, let's say, a little bit of SL. It's floated on little bit, and it's dragged down to 20. Even if it doesn't drag down to 20, but when you are particularly working on strategy, which is like based on SMC or ICT or anything like trend based, trend lines, anything. Okay. So some of the strategies were aligned with RSI. When you just align, look into RSI, few strategies will work. I will let you know. Oh, okay. So I will let you know the different strategies. But right now we are live trading, but only if the signals comes. Okay. I mean, let's say, for example, let's get into the XAUSD. It started with the uh, today's around all-time high. So I don't usually trade on all-time high, okay? Because there are more possibilities. It will go more higher if it gives a perfect buy zone to create a perfect buy zone. Then I will be looking for a trade, or else I won't trade on mostly on all-time high. So that's why I'm waiting for a perfect entry. Okay. Then we'll get into the trade. Okay. So we might do, but let's see. It's all about the live trading means we have to wait and look into the charts. And also, I'm um, also have like I'll do back testing on EAs. So there are so many stuffs like we have to go get through. So yeah, getting a good couple of trades per day is about you have to spend a bit time on charts. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Well, what's your name? Like you mentioned, a Python AI expert. So okay, there is no need of name. Like I will call as a chat. Yeah. Hi. Okay. So we will left at the Tata stocks, right? And then there is a tool which is called volume profile, anchored volume profile, and fixed range volume profile. Okay, these two tools are like very underrated one. So I like you guys to learn. Like every time I will Every live streams I'm been saying this. So these two you guys can learn, and if I got time, I will give I will post a video for everything like separately. Okay. What is that means? Like it doesn't have that much. Um, okay. So today's session, um, yeah, you see, I posted as a live trading January 2026. So I've been posting every day, like not every day, consistently live tradings. Okay. So if I posted a live trading on a template, it might be, not it might be, it will be, I will be looking on a perfect day trade. Okay. When it comes to day trade, I will trade on XAUSD. But today is very less possibility on SAUSD because it's on all-time high, and or else I'll be looking on BTCUSD. Okay, so we'll both look into this one, and I will give analysis which is you gonna buy or sell whatever. Okay, like this, and if not, like I will talk to chat. So whatever the doubts you're gonna ask or anything, well, we can discuss about the market. Yeah. So this is about today's session. Like if we are getting a setup, we will do a live trade, or else we'll just talk about the market. And at the end of the day, I will like at the end of the meet, I will post analysis of few stocks or yeah, kind of a signals. Okay. If you go and check out the bio, there will be a Telegram group. Like if you are new, so I guess I have to say this. Okay, so this is my like it's a, Telegram group. Though here I will be posting my signals. Okay, so I will be posting sell signal. Like last week we posted a couple of signals. So yeah. So um, okay, so as per Leander asked that about the um, Taramuras. So I've been explaining on original trade account. Why so? Why do I have to show original trade account? Like it was normal, I know. Like it is common to ask that, but um, let's say for now I'm not ready to show that. Okay, so yeah, personally that I will be show you maybe in future. Like let's see. So there is a rule that I follow, and like I will be post signals publicly, like before. Um, so I don't. I call it. Yeah, now it's not okay. You will see. If you want a result, if you want to know the result, you can go into the channel. So this is one of that EA I was worked on. It's totally you can look into here. Okay, this was the today's result around $1,400. Okay, so this is was demo account. Okay, I'm just showing you. We also test EAs, and when it comes to signals, we'll post signals, and we don't edit. You can find if I edited something, you will be here. So you can check on the times on the results. Yeah. So this is all I can do now, but original account not soon, but sooner. I'll try to sooner possible. Like I'm also planning to trade like any funded accounts or any kind of live accounts, like challenge like $100 to $1,000, something like that. I was planning to let's see it's different. So yeah, when it comes to signal, you can just go through this channel. From this week, we'll be posting mm, what kind of tools do you use for trade market? This is before trade. Okay. So yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, as not 99% win rate. Um, yeah, it was a good win rate that I'm posting. So if you check my past history on the channel, so if you're giving 5 trades, there will be 4 trades definitely win. Okay, TP1. So definitely win, and the one trade might be lost. It's so common. And about the tools that I use, okay, first, as I mentioned, a basic, I'll always use EMA or SI. And also, I told to get to know the long-term move. Long-term means which is if I'm using, I'll go with 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so this 1 hour, 15 minute was, let's say it's kind of a higher time frame for me, and 5 minute for confirm the trade, and 1 minute for get into the trade. Okay, and then as you know, volume profile and the anchored volume profile. This was help me to know where I'm gonna trade. Like let's say, okay, I'll explain this tool later if you're going to really convert into another topic. So this tool, and yeah, I'll also work our team like okay. So we are working as a team, a background. So we also work on algorithm based trades. Okay. Have you heard about ES? As a AI expert, I hope so you will be known how those EAs works. Okay. So and then I use SMC. Yeah, I guess so. I have answered pretty much. So here, you guys see, I told about this volume profile, right? So if you are using this volume profile, you will see the market as there is a history that we can track it. Okay. It is created from the past charts. I agree, but also the past chart works is the way that we are getting into future prediction, right? So it will give a lines. Okay, there is a I don't know the terms where. Okay, so these are like let's say we are getting into 30 minutes, and I'm just seeing here. You'll see it marks every resistance and support. Okay, so it's like you will know where the market gonna move, where the market gonna be impulsive, where the market gonna be reversing. Okay, so these all stuffs you can be get confirmed by using these tools. Why people are usually miss big trades because they underestimate tools that are actually working well. Okay, So it's on a totally uptrend. You see, from around November. From November, it was totally uptrend. Also, the everything was back tested on the EMA. You will see. So EMA I was using 100. Okay, 100 is to find trend. So we already does find the trend. You see, BTC was started off a very bearish day, and it was not much volume right now. So we can't even trade BTC today. So if it moves this way, like it's not even a consolidation, you'll see. It's not even a consolidation. It was like market was very still. Okay, you see, we can't trade in this time. The gold is about to reach the all-time high. Okay. So, chat here, we might get into trade. Okay, so this is a very risky trade because it was on the top of the market. So if it retest back here, if it doesn't break potentially above this level, okay, around like this level, if it doesn't break impulsive this level, we're gonna go for sell. Um, Sell like we will start here. Okay, fine. So we're gonna sell here. If not, it if it was reached here, the trade was closed. Okay, so we will cancel this trade. Hope you guys understand. Like it's very basic. If it retest, we're gonna get into our sell trade. Okay, like so. This one is first shot. Right? Oh no. So this one is for sure. And I hope it will retest around here at least. So we'll get into a trade, or else we're gonna be cancel this trade. Fine. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, it's already fully dropped. So we are bit. So we might get consolidation. Okay, we might get consolidation. Let's see. So I used to miss a lot of trade. So that's totally normal. Don't overtrade. Like just because you miss the trade, don't go rush into a late entry. It's better that we can look into for another entry. Okay, it's you can see whenever if you are investing on It's just boring if we can't hear any songs. Uh, copy this. We were came late. Okay, we were came late. We told about from here. I was expected it would retest back here, but it's already been moving downward. Okay, so if it gives a consolidation, we'll try for another setup, or else we'll miss this one. Okay, fine. So it's kind of boring to sit the whole day before in front of camera. So I guess everyone left. Okay. He sleeps. Mm, So I guess everyone left. Okay, guys, like you can see that we are getting um, the trade was a little bit backtested. So, oops. Okay,
If you're
guys, like
planning
you can
to
see that
enter,
if you're planning to get into trade, like if you don't want to miss another one, wait for it to reach here, so so that you could get into trade the exact place which I will told. Okay, okay, let's wait. Let's wait. See. So I'm gonna be um charge my what do you say? Earbuds. Okay. So from now you're gonna be hearing my mic like cam mic only. So it might be not that much clear at just a bit for around like it's just a hour I will be charged. I will get charged.
hello, audible. Sorry. So you guys can. It's been moving around 30 pips, right? Uh, 40 plus pips. Mm, told you guys it will be meters back this particular zone. So, yeah. So it gonna be still consolidated. Okay. So when I'm getting into a trade, a particular trade, which is I used to go very less risk trade, okay, because I'm not a millionaire, so that was our goal to be. So when I'm getting into trade, I will let you know. I will tell you like I was in a trade. I'm, I'm trading this kind of thing. Okay, see, we'll see. It's gonna be giving us perfect signal today, I guess so. Let's wait and see. And I might be not available on 12 p.m. So, so if you guys get into this was my uh, Telegram channel. Okay, so the description below I'll been linked the link tree. So if you want, you can go through. There will be highlights. Okay, there will be highlights. Okay, which is this. I hope it was visible. So which I posted my reports and results. So you can go and check it out. Like every monthly results. Okay, which I was traded on Funded Next. Yeah, funded account. So those results will be posted on that channel. Highlights will be there. It's called Will of Tea Traders. Yeah. So it's 62 minutes almost an hour. Let's see. Okay. It's just consolidating the same place. Um, So as we mentioned here, it's been consolidating. Okay, so since it's consolidation phase, so we got to wait for um, perfect entry, or else if you are getting in now, it's also fine because our expectations of target was around here. Okay, around like around 100 pips. So yeah, so I already told you it was a risky trade. So don't take too many risks. Take less risk. So as we expected, it was moving into our zone, right? So it has a potential to break through and get into a new all-time high. So wait for, let's say, for now, I'll remember this. Wait for this. It's a very risky trade. Let's say if we want to get into a trade, if this was not crossed by like impulsive move, okay. Uh, if there is a no impulsive move, it will definitely gonna come back into our position, okay. Or else it gonna be um, going to new all-time high. Let's see what's gonna happen. So, guys, I've been explaining about this movement, right? So right now I'm going offline. Like I mean, I'm gonna turn off my cam and the mic, so I have a meet. So we'll be back soon, maybe within half an hour or hour. So it's kind of a little break. Um, yeah, hope you guys meet soon. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.
Hello, hello. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm good today. Hello. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I will tell you for sometimes because yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, yeah, I'm always good for that. Okay. Mhm. Portfolio management, yes. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yes, sir, audible. My approximately first of all, I have a fresher depend on company. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Well, yes. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. Yes. I have. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay. One. Hello. Hello. Sorry for that. Yeah. Yes. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Which what which channel name? Yes. Yes, yes, I know about that. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. No, no, any doubts. I will tell you any doubts are coming into the. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Mm.
So as you guys see that almost I say it gives a retest and it went to impulsive move, right? It impulsive crossed the particular zone. So this is how it works. So it's gonna be no wonder if it goes all time high again. So I just finished my meat. Um, so it is crossed. It does give an impulse move on. What do you guys think it will might happen? Like nobody's in live, I guess so. It was totally fine though. What do you guys think? What's gonna happen now? And yeah, whoa, such a big losses. Okay. So guys, I'm selling. Okay, I'm selling right now. Just a scalp. Okay, just a scalp. Let's see. Okay, so I just did a scalp. That's all. So um, yeah. So I don't know why I showed this because yeah, Vanakkam, Santosh. So the scalp was good. So don't hold too so much time. Like it's on a. I already took my first trade and I'm just holding another trade on break even, or I will be risking a little bit. Okay. So what I'm trying to look for here. Yeah, is someone live? Is anyone there? Two concurrent views. Okay. So yeah, good. So I didn't expect that I would trade today because it was on an all-time high. Currently, I was holding a position, and the first position was already closed between just 30 pips. just 30 pips. So it has a potential to reach here. Let's see. Let's see. That's why I'm holding another position. Yeah. So when I'm live trading, I don't have time to post on Telegram channels because when it was a scalping, seriously, I don't have a time because it's just a few seconds. The perfect entry will be gone. So, so if there is a setup, like if there would be any setup, I will post. This was a previous trade which I told with high risk. Okay, that was a 40 pip today, and now I did a scalping. Right now, you see it's still on the profit. It doesn't make the break even. So let's see how it goes. It's almost dropped 40 pips. Cool. It's almost dropped 40 pips. So when it comes to scalping, I would go with 30 to 40 pips, right? I won't expect too much pips. When it comes to a trade, a perfect, let's say, kind of day trading without with perfect position, then I would expect 100 pips average. Okay, this is how my psychology works. Yeah. So give me a minute. I'll be back. I got a call.
Okay, now the audio will be pretty good because I've been using my camera's mic since I forgot to charge my buds. Okay, yeah, now it's fine. So, yeah, I'm still holding that one position. I might expect a little bit good range of result. Okay, now the or else we'll close it on a little loss. No worries.
I just did a scalp. That's all. So um, yeah.
So when it comes to scalping, uh, we don't know when more like it was a basic analysis when it comes to scalping. I don't took any too much of tools and materials as I told volume profile and just resistance and I marked the zones and I did a scalp. That's all. Just a basic scalp for one or two candle. So I mostly avoid this scalping, um, which is a worst case scenario. I will do this. Okay. So let's go to 1 minute. Yeah. So this is the one we catched actually. It's still dropping. Like I hope it will drop more. Let's see. We got a new chat, Santosh. I hope he'll be there. I don't know. So we're gonna be close the another trade in here. So I will tell you guys this. Such a good trade, right? Such a good trade. Wow, nice. So if you want, you can hold it, or else you can close it. It's your wish. I'm closed off of my trade and put the break even. Oh, good. So good. I never expected this trade gonna be this good. Fine. Such a drop. Fine. Wonderful trade. Wonderful trade. Okay, there is not a single float value. Okay, there is not a single float. See, we just entered the trade, it's directly down. Wow. These kind of trades are fascinating. Okay, I guess I'm gonna close it now better. because it's class scalping, right? So I'm very sorry that I have not posted it on Telegram. Actually, I don't have a time to post that. So at least I will post the results. So we almost got 100 pips. That's 100 pips. Okay. It's still moving. It's still be moving. Cool. Satisfied day, right? So this is not a demo account. Okay. You can see around this one, and it's a funded account. Yeah. So just to verify, like I don't have to show um, demo account here. If it was demo, I definitely show, like I will let you know it's a demo. So I also running a demo account here on which is on EA. Okay. So these all demo accounts, I'll agree. So when I'm trading a real account, I'll let you know. Just I'm just saying this. I don't know why I'm saying this. Which is on EA. Okay. So these all demo accounts. So I'm very sorry that I have not posted it on Telegram. Actually, I don't have a time to post that. So at least I will post the results. So we almost got 100 pips. That's 100 pips. Okay. It's still moving. It's still be moving. லைவ்ல தான் இருக்கு. Cool. Satisfied day, right? So this is not a demo account. Okay. You can see around this one, and it's a funded account. Yeah. So just to verify, like I don't have to show um, demo account here. If it was demo, I definitely show, like I will let you know. that. So at least I will post the results. So we almost got 100 pips. So we closed here 100 pips. Okay, it's still moving. It's still be moving. EG. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so it's moving little bit better. Like I have closed this here because I thought it would read it would go newer higher high, like all-time high, but it's reverse. It's good. So for now, one trade was successful, so I won't trade for another few hours, right? That's my um, kind of a rule. So here you can see in BTC. So for now, we'll done with this. Um, so we'll go to the BTC. So every currency pairs or every Forex um, pairs in trading, I'll look into a different strategies. Like I follow a different strategy. I won't follow the same strategy on every pair. So yeah. So in BTC mostly I will get a trade on evening session only. Like on London session when it's London session ends, I would get a better trade on BTC USD. So it's the consolidating the whole day after a bearish start. Like the day was started with the bearish. It was a consolidation. So we can't get into trade now. So let's take a little break, right? So yeah, next time, if you don't want to miss this kind of signals, like um, yeah, subscribe, right? So join in my there will be description Telegram channel, so you can get to know every updates and every signals and analysis will be there. Okay, short break, fine. Okay. So our first, we took two trades today, and I did one. So two setups they came. So we did good at both of them, and yet among other works, and so I'll try to post it every week, as I told you, 3 to 4 videos per week, live stream or um, video. So if you don't wanna miss out those signals and updates, first subscribe YouTube channel, and then secondly, check out this Telegram channel, link in bio. Go and join so you don't miss out the updates, right? Yeah, fine. So see you. Bye bye. See you.